Hey buddies! So this is the next video / episode of my GFRIEND Jenny series on my channel. If you want to know what this series is about, then you can check out my reaction to Glass Bead, where I talk all about what this series is for. And I'm going to be checking out the music video for Summer Rain, which is a repackage of their 5th mini album, if I'm correct. So, let's get into it. Call back to the rain in the previous music video that I watched for Love Was Fun. Okay, beat. I really noticed how their choreo outfits match perfectly, and yeah, it's interesting. A very, very common concept. It's in like every video, it's very common. On this has like that same hazy effect that I saw in Glass Bead and Yajachinku, and even a little bit in Rough. So they're clearly not the happiest about the rain. It's giving a very sad vibe. This actually kind of gives me the same vibe as Rough, because in that video it was very sort of more solemn, a bit more sad, a bit more like toned down. Emo! Oh, I like these boxes and the lighting that it's giving off, a very soft, delicate lighting. I like that. Looks like the rain stopped. What? What is it? I guess something very disappointing has happened. I guess so much for the rain stopping, I guess not. So they're waiting for each other, but these letters are saying that they can't see each other due to whatever the reason may be. Ooh, I like that ending formation. So much for the umbrella. When the rain stops you from seeing your friends. Sad indeed. But she's actually happy about something. Okay then, everybody else is sad. So what's she happy about? Okay, so yeah. My initial impression of this is basically reminds me a lot of Rough, just in like the more solemn, bit more sad, a bit more toned down feel. In fact, if I remember also like the kind of storyline of Rough, it was actually maybe almost nearly the same thing actually. They were kind of had like this weird separation vibe to them. But then by the end of the MV, they reunited and we're all happy and we're all like reminiscing in like these sentimental objects they put into a box. But this time they didn't unite, so actually now that I'm thinking about that, it actually almost feels like a bit of a parallel universe kind of thing. In Ruff's universe, they all reconnected, but in this one, they didn't, so much speculation. Now, I don't know if the butterfly was in this, I didn't see it, so maybe I just missed it, I don't know. But nothing too obvious as far as like the GFRIEND universe symbolism was shown here. So maybe I just totally missed it, or this wasn't so heavy on, you know, the universe. Not totally sure, but aside from all that, it was still interesting to watch. I will say that. So that was my reaction to GFRIEND's Summer Rain. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button below. Comment below what you thought of the music video, or if this is the first time you're seeing it with me, what you thought of it now, as well as what you thought of this video and anything else you want to comment below. Go right ahead. To my left, but on the screen, your right is into the most recent upload, as well as that subscribe button. Y'all know what to do with those. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and set it to all. That way you won't miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.